Let's check out 4 iconic Detroit date night spots using Visit Detroit's new digital passes, which grant you special offers on the city's best dining destinations, Brew Trail, pizza joints, and attractions. First up is Dining in the D at Ford's Garage, Dearborn. You'll know you're at the right spot when you see the vintage Ford models and gas pumps out front. They frequently host car clubs and collectors where you can step inside a restored Model T and chat with other enthusiasts. This all-American brew pub serves up gourmet burgers and craft beer with a side of auto nostalgia and Ford tough pride. Our second date is along the Detroit Brew Trail at 2 James Spirits in Corktown. Reserve a public or private tour to enjoy a guided tasting flight of their signature spirits with light bites from sister restaurant Superguile. Get a behind-the-scenes look at the distilling process and couple your tour with a visit to their tasting room for seasonal craft cocktails like their popular Orange Crush Cooler. Up third is the Detroit Pizza Pass and a favorite of Tigers fans, Union Assembly. Order local canned cocktails from the top floor bar to enjoy on the sprawling patio overlooking Comerica Park. The interior has little winks to Detroit's history and legacy, from Motown to the Ford Mustang to M&M. Tuck into the best poutine this side of the border and be sure to save room for the main event, their Coney Pizza. Fourth and last is the Explore Detroit Pass and a sunset dinner cruise aboard the Detroit Princess Riverboat. Have a souvenir photo taken during boarding, order drinks to take on deck, and enjoy a delicious prime rib dinner. Catch the sunset and views of the Detroit and Windsor skylines, sing and dance along to the Motown tribute band, watch the city light up, and hop on the Soul Train to close out the night. Plan your next date night in the D with digital passes from Visit Detroit.